In this tutorial, you are going to need a hair clipper and 0.5 guard, then number 1 guard, then number 2 guard, last but not least, number 4 guard, additionally a trimmer, then a comb, and a brush, and let's get started.
So no guard, lever all the way open. I'll be creating the second guideline, just right above the initial guideline, approximately around like and trying to blend in this taper end to the number 4 on the top. So I'm trying to blend in this harsh guideline right here. This is what I'm trying to do, just blend in. Easy step. Flick out this line right here, a little bit of line, and with no guard, lever all the way close. Number 0.5 guard, and I'm just gonna blend in here, this part right here, a little bit better, and done. That's it.
guys, this is the result, and what do you guys think? That's it for the self-cut tutorial. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the tutorial and the haircut, and I hope to see you very soon. Boss!